Hello, today I'll be demoing Data360, which is a production-grade enterprise data intelligence platform that fundamentally transforms how organizations interact with their data infrastructure. At its core, the platform solves one of the most persistent challenges in modern data operations, that is fragmented data knowledge across multiple systems. By implementing a sophisticated multi-source aggregation with intelligent deduplication and source tracking, we have created a single unified catalog that brings together metadata from Databricks Unity Catalog and future extensible sources into one Postgres-backed platform. This isn't just another data catalog, it's an operational intelligence system that eliminates the bottlenecks where business users can constantly depend on IT teams to answer basic questions about data availability, pipeline status, and lineage. The Databricks integration represents a significant technical achievement. We have seamlessly integrated uh, Unity Catalog synchronization with automatic medallion layer classification, complete Delta Live table pipeline visualization, including data quality expectations and execution monitoring, and pioneered iframe embedding of Lakeview Dashboards directly within the Data360 UI. As you see on this page, you can connect to various any number of Databricks workspaces, and then using your workspace URI and personal access token that you get from Databricks platform itself, you can then sync your assets from a particular Databricks workspace. You can ingest your data, all of your data in Data360 to that particular workspace. You can open your workspace in another tab, or you can even delete a connection of that workspace. Let's go to data assets. You can navigate to different sources of data through here. I'll open one of the Databricks workspaces that I had used to ingest the data from Databricks to our Data360 UI. It will load all of the data that you have on Databricks onto the Data360 platform, giving you a holistic view of what kind of data you have. As you can see here, it gives you a list of all the dashboards that you have on Databricks platform, along with the pipelines and tables that are there. We can click on any data asset and go through its details. For example, if I click on this hotel analytics dashboard, on clicking on the hotel analytics dashboard, it opens up a data asset details page where you can interact with the data, with the dashboard that you have on Databricks right from the Data360 UI. It's completely interactive. It's a completely interactive dashboard which gives you a holistic view of all of your data which you can access from the Data360 UI. Apart from the dashboards that we saw just now, we can also get a holistic view of data from different sources as well. For example, if we want to see the lineages for some other dashboard, we can just go to that dashboard's details and click on the lineage tab, which will load the lineage data as you see below. So it will give you a holistic view of the lineage for that particular data asset. For example, this risk dashboard, you can get a view of the lineage that's available over here in a graphical and visual manner. We have also integrated Databricks AI BI Genie with context-aware deep linking that automatically pre-fills table and schema information, enabling truly intelligent handoffs between platforms. So as you see here, there are right now 3 different AI agents, which are basically Genie spaces on the Databricks platform, which you can interact with right from the Data360 UI. Let's open the Hotel AI. If I ask it a question, it will get you your insights from the data that you have. So as you see here, it has given you a analysis of the question that you asked. So it says the distribution of bookings shows that the highest number of bookings come from the online TA market segment via the TATU channel, along with the numbers that matter. Apart from this are dual AI capabilities, democratized data access at an unprecedented scale. The global AI agent built on LangChain with multi-LLM support, Anthropic, OpenAI, or Perplexity, automatically generates SQL from natural language queries, executes them, and intelligently selects appropriate visualizations. Combined with seamless integration to Databricks Genie for enterprise-grade conversational analytics, users can now explore data using plain English regardless of their technical expertise. This represents a fundamental shift from ticket-driven data access to true self-service intelligence. A few examples of what kind of results you will get through this global AI agent, that is Data360 AI agent, are shown over here. So this agent basically serves as a one-stop solution for all of your health-related questions that you might have for your Data360 data. And for example, I asked it, give me the details of the pipelines that failed the last time that ran. So it's given you a summary of the pipelines that failed the last time they were run. So the last run of Databricks DLT pipeline, the hotel DLT, had failed, and the failure occurred during the analysis resolution of this particular table or record. So it also gives you root cause analysis for the failure, along with some key details that might matter in your debugging. It will also give you an impact and recommendations for what this issue was all about in your pipeline. Along with that, you can also see the SQL query that it ran to get the data and the data itself from the database. Yet another question that I asked was a lineage related question, which is what are the upstream and downstream lineage for treatments cleaned. So it gives you a very precise response for your query, and it shows you the downstream lineage for the asset via hotel pipeline. And since there were no upstream lineages found, so it shows you that as well, along with a clear visualization of the lineage diagram, which things depend on the hospital silver creams and which things are being produced by the hospital silver treatments. Yet again, this also shows you the result, which the database results which it used to generate this analysis that you see above. Similarly, if I ask it to give me the detail of all the runs of the hospital pipeline, it will give me a summary along with the root cause analysis of any failures that might be there and the key details of each of the runs along with their IDs that might be useful later on. The business impact is transformative. We have eliminated operational bottlenecks by enabling self-service data discovery, reducing ID dependency by an estimated 70 to 80%. Questions that previously took days to answer, did the holdings file arrive, where does this report get its data, what broke in the pipeline, are now answered in seconds through an intuitive web interface. We have built a platform that combines Databricks' cutting-edge data and AI capabilities with enterprise-wide data aggregation, delivering true data democratization at scale. This is what modern data operations should look like.